Welcome back for another Solana price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets, give you reasons why we can expect a bit of a bounce here on the Solana chart and maybe see a break above resistance at around the $26.88 mark. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Solana is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. Today we have also seen a bit of a breakdown into our yellow target area, which was the minimum retracement area for this wave 4 that I had here on the charts, which is a target area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that now we have a low in place for this wave 4, and we can see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 5. And all this is playing out after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $12.87 mark. And afterwards we started gearing up, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we first peaked in the formation of this wave 1, saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, saw this massive pump in the formation of that wave 3, then saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for this wave 4, and soon we can start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 5. And I remember that the target area for the wave 4 was between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. By connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3. And in this video I want to extend the target area back to the fib level 0.618, since as long as we are holding above the wave 1 in the formation of this wave 4, that is still a valid Elliot wave structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4. And the moment you see a reaction of this target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 5, then the minimum target areas can be given by the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $35.17 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 5 to the upper side to do. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Solana chart. And before all that plays out, there are key moves that we need to see here on the charts. And the first one is a break of structure, and here on the charts you can see that I have this white descending trend line that I have on the charts, and the moment we see a reaction of the target area start gearing up and see a break above trend lines here on the charts, that is the white trend line on the chart, then we can expect maybe a successful retest on the 4-hour chart or maybe on the 1-hour chart. And the moment we see a break above, that is a break of structure, we can expect Solana to get to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.2688 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and maybe fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 5. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Solana chart. And we need to keep our eyes on those key areas of resistances and also a break above structure here on the charts. And if I zoom out to also give you my long-term analysis since the December lows, you can see that after seeing the December lows, we picked in a 5-wave structure, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. So a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. We have seen a reaction of that target area, and there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3 until we fully maximize our minimum target areas. And in the formation of this wave 3, because of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, I'm expecting Solana to also give us a complete 5 wave structure to the upper side. So that is something that you also need to have in mind, and it's because of that I have this Elliot wave structure right here in red that I'm tracking here on the charts. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 28 mark, meaning the RSI is just about to get into the oversold region. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, and that is still suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.